Stalkers, very good evening and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will be teaching you how to enter and exit the trades using an indicator. It's called MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence. This is for all the new traders who want to enter the market but don't know when to enter and exit the trades. This indicator will help them when to enter and exit almost at the right time. With that, let's start the video. Firstly, we will load MACD to our chart. Also at the same time, we will look for 200-day exponential moving average. We will use this exponential moving average to identify the trend. So if you are using TradingView as your platform, just click on this icon and search MACD. Right here, the first option. It will be loaded in the background. Now you can search moving average exponential right here. That will also be loaded in the background. By default, it will be at 9 days, as you can see here. All you have to do is click on the settings, change it to 200. This moving average will help us identify the trend, whether it's in an uptrend or downtrend. If you are not using TradingView as your platform, do not worry. Almost all the platforms provide facilities of these two indicators, that is MACD and exponential moving averages. So all you have to do is go into the indicator section and search for these two indicators. Once you load it, adjust the settings accordingly. MACD will look somewhat similar in your chart as well. Do not worry about the color settings, obviously, you can choose your preferences. Okay, these are the values of MACD. I highly recommend you not to change them. Also, we will not get into how these values are calculated. We will keep it very simple. I want everybody to understand this strategy so that at least you can start trading. Yes, you can change the colorings from this section if you're using TradingView, but do not change the values. Right, let me walk you through the three important elements of MACD. The first one is this histogram. The second one is this blue line, that is also called signal line. The third one is this red line. This is MACD line. So what's the strategy now? Strategy is when you see this blue line crossing the red line from above, it's time to sell. And when you see this signal line crossing the blue line from below, that is from the downside going to the upside, it's time to buy. So this is the strategy. We are now ready to backtest our MACD strategy using Dubai Islamic Bank as our stock. This is the daily chart of DIB. I did also mention to include 200 EMA on the chart, that is because to identify the trend. Technically speaking, when the price is below this line, that is 200 EMA, we call it market is still bearish, and when the price is about 200 EMA, we call it market is now bullish. So let's go behind and backtest our MACD strategy. Let me move to the old data and we will come to the latest data to test the strategy. We can start from here as well, as this is the trending market. It's going to the uptrend. It works very nicely. Okay, we will start right from the crossover. Let me adjust the chart right here. There are two criteria to enter the trade. Criteria number is always the price should be about 200 EMA. This is the 200 EMA. If you want to buy a trade, if you want to buy a stock, you have to wait till it crosses above. When it's bullish, you look for a buy signal in MACD indicator. What is a buy signal now? You can see this blue line is crossing the MACD line from below. This is a good buy signal. So you enter the trade when you see this crossover. At the same time, price is about 200 EMA. So you wait and enter at this candle. So now you have taken the trade and now you're waiting when to exit. You exit when you see another crossover. So you have entered here, you are already in profits, price is going up. This is bit sideways, price is still going up, but in MACD indicator there is still no crossover. Price is still going further up. Now it's about to retrace, but still we are waiting for the crossover. We have to maintain the discipline. Right, so price is again coming down. Right here we see a crossover. Alright, at this red candle, let me mark. At this candle we saw a crossover right here. So we exit the trade. we book the profits and exit the trades. You entered here, you exit the trade at this level. Now, yes, you missed some profits. You could have also taken the profit at this level, but when it came down, you sold here. So we have to understand that MACD is a lagging indicator. It acts after the action is already done, but it gives you a confirmation. So you missed this profit, but your trade was still good. You see, you can see the trade was very nice. You made profit. Let me mark this one, and then we take second trade. You entered here, you exited here. So this was your profit. Right. Now price is still about 200 EMA. We are again waiting for a buy signal. You saw a crossover right here. Blue line, that is the signal line, is crossing the MACD line from below and it's going above. Let me mark and we enter the trade. Right here at this candle, you enter also at this candle. Okay, so we have already taken the trade and now we are waiting for an exit so that we book our profits. Market went up. We still don't have any signal on MACD. Market is sideways now. We saw a crossover right at this level. So we exit the trade at this candle. Let me mark the crossover as well. So you entered here. You almost had a break-even trade. This is no profit, no loss trade. So this is trade number 2. You entered here, exited here. So this is almost break-even, no loss yet. Right, so we proceed further and see how the strategy is working. So far, one trade in profit, one trade in break-even. So we move further, we will see if there is any buy signal again. No, nothing yet. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. Yes, we have a crossover now. Right here. Let me mark and take the trade. Right here, we enter at this candle. This is our entry. Now we are in profits and we want to see when to exit. Again, we got a sell signal. MACD crossing right here. Let me mark this one so we exit. Right at this candle. So this one also looks a break even. You entered here, you exit here. Almost break even, one big trade in plus. Here also almost plus, here also almost plus. We are still in break even, but we are in profits with this trade. Let's look for another trade. Price is still about 200 EMA, this line. We can still look for buys. Okay, no crossover yet, no crossover yet. Price is moving, almost touching 200 EMA. Now we see a crossover. Buy here. Buy at this crossover. Let me mark. Buy at this candle right here. So you have entered the trade. Now the price is sideways. It's going sideways, but still in MACD it have not given us a crossover yet. So we continue the trade. We are in the trade. We are in profits. We are in big profits. We are enjoying. Yes, price is retracing bit, but check out here, it did not cross. We are still in trade. It's going up. It's going up. It's flying high. Now it's about to retrace. We got a sell signal right here. Let me mark. Right at this crossover, at this red candle. Let me mark also here. Yep. So we took this trade here and we exited at this candle. We got another big move, very big move. Again, as I said, we could have sold right at the top, but this is a lagging indicator, MACD. It will give you a confirmation after the action is done. So you have to forego this profit. You have to sacrifice your profit for these 2 or 3 candles. So far we are in profits for sure. One big trade, 2 trades in break even. Third one is also a huge one. Let's check out. Okay, now price is below 200 EMA. It have crossed the 200 EMA. So even if we see a buy signal here, ignore it. Don't take it. Wait till you see a price action above 200 EMA. Again, when the price crosses 200 EMA, enter the trade. and when you get this signal, enter the trade. Right here we got the buy signal, enter at this signal. Now we are looking for a sell signal in MACD indicator. You can see it just joined here, but no sell signal. This is the sell signal. Let me mark this one and we exit the trade. Right at this candle, dodgy candle. Perfect. So you entered the trade here, you exited the trade here. This is a good move again. This is profitable. So far we are in profits, no doubt. Check here, one big move, two break even. Third trade is a huge one, big profit. Fourth one is also good one. So we have taken fourth trade. Let's check out some recent data now and see if our indicator is giving us any buy signal. Okay, price was at the top here. It crossed 200 EMA. Now it's below 200 EMA. So this looks bullish, but we don't have to take any trade. We are at the basic level. But yes, once you graduate to the advanced level, you can take trades even when the price is below 200 EMA. Let me show you a small example before we end this video. Whoops. Okay, this is the price and it's below 200 EMA. Still, it gave you a buy signal. Let me mark it here. It gave you a buy signal right at this candle. So, even if you enter here, here at this candle, at this crossover, then market has been trending to the upside. Still, if you can see in MACD, it crossed over right here, right here. Exactly here. So you took the trade here and you are exiting your trade at this candle. Exactly at this candle. So you caught this big move. Huge profit. So this is how you trade using MACD indicator. I hope this strategy will help you in your trading and you will see some profits increasing in your trading as well. That's it guys. If you like the video, do not forget to smash the like button. Also hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. That's it guys. Thank you for watching. Keep stocking.